Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Baby Kai, and today I have my sister.
What's up, guys?
And my brother. He's very weird, does very weird dances. But anyway, here is what we are going to be doing for you guys today. So we have encountered a it sounds like a spirit in our house. This is literally no joke, as you can tell by my face. This is my serious face. So we have our trusty magic 8-ball, and we have our weapons and stuff, and we're going to go down into the basement and figure out what this noise is and where it came from.
And we did this in the dark.
And we're gonna ask the magic.
We didn't even video it though.
Okay guys, come on. Before we go downstairs in the basement to figure out what this is, I want you guys to please leave a like on this video for our lives and subscribe and hit this bell, because this might be very dangerous. I'm going to tell you guys this most scariest thing that I encountered last night. Whoops. Magic 8-ball dropped. So anyway, I was sleeping last night and I heard a little giggle. Like, I don't know where it was, but I think it was over there somewhere. But it might have been standing right here from where my bed is. It could have been standing like right over here, like just looking at me. I don't even know, but I heard a giggle. That's literally what I heard. So before we do this, we're gonna ask the magic 8-ball if we should have the lights on or off.
And guys, we're gonna show you the doll too.
Yeah, we're gonna show you the doll. Come here, Ariana. All right, ready?
I'm only gonna bring the.
Okay. Alright guys, magic 8-ball. Do we have to turn the lights on or off? What? Okay, let's ask it
If we should have it on.
Magic 8-ball, should we have the lights on? Most likely.
Okay, so then we're keeping the lights on.
For proof, it says most likely.
Okay, we're keeping the lights on.
It won't focus. Okay, I think you guys can see it, but we're gonna ask it. Magic 8-ball, should we keep the lights off? Magic 8-ball, should we keep the lights on? It says, you may rely on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's go to the basement.
We are not joking right now. Let's just keep the lights off so it'll be more, spooky.
Okay, we got the magic 8-ball, and we are going to go downstairs.
Okay, guys, so we're going downstairs in the basement now.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we are in the basement right now, and I'm going to show you this really scary doll that just came into our house that our Nana brought in. So look at this. Oh my gosh. It's holding a doll. I said that all wrong. It is freaking holding a guitar. I think that's what might be making these giggle noises.
You guys are just gonna let me go over here, aren't you?
Brendan, go with her. I'm gonna turn the light on. So guys,
this is gonna be the magic 8-ball question.
it's over there. Its sound is coming from over there. So, wait. Oh yeah. So, I'm going to turn the light on and off, and we're going to see if it makes the noise. So I'm going to give the camera to my sister. Take the camera, and she is going to be letting you guys hear the noise. So let me know what it is in the comments below. This is so scary right now, guys.
Here we go. They didn't do it. We gotta leave it on for a little bit.
Sit that thing. I'm just tapping places right now.
Okay, turn it off. Wait a minute. I don't get it. Just wait. Stop tapping stuff.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I am going to ask the Magic 8 Ball if we are in any kind of danger, so let's ask it. Magic 8 Ball, are we in danger? Guys, look! I'm not kidding! Look, it says signs point to yes. I'm not.
No.
I'm not kidding with you right now. This says signs point to yes.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
No, you don't. Just stop.
I saw the noise before it, and I know what it's.
Move. Just stop. Shh, shh.
Just be quiet. Stop moving.
Shh.
Bro!
Oh! You guys.
Oh my god!
It just went off again. It just did it again.
Let go!
It just did it again. Guys, you heard that. We are not joking with you. It did it twice. It literally did it twice. We are not joking with you guys. We are not joking with you guys.
Alright guys, did you hear that? Did you freaking hear that? Tell me you guys did not hear that. That was what was going on. I don't even know. It went twice.
It went once when you guys were right there with me. And then it went the other time when we started freaking out.
Comment down below, scary, if you heard that.
But hashtag scary.
Yeah, hashtag scary down below if you heard that. Like, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and smash the like button. And don't forget to hit that bell so when you know I post another video. Because this video was really scary for me. And I don't even know how I can make it through this. But I love you guys so much.
Very scary.
But I love you guys so much. And I hope this never happens to you. But I hope I will figure it out soon.